doesn't tell me. You want to do what?
I want to go to the Laughing Cat, and I want to go to the Japanese place.
And where's the Laughing Cat?
Ybor City, and the Japanese place is in Brandon.
And
That's
and
what
you,
I really, really, really want to do. And we have like 7 days to do it. Okay?
Okay.
So make it happen.
7 days before Randy gets back to town.
That's right.
All right. And just the three of us?
I don't care. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well, Laughing Cat.
Laughing Cat number 1.
Laugh
Most
like
important is the Laughing Cat.
Would you laugh like a cat?
Okay. Can you cut it off now?
Yeah, I can cut it off. Oh, hang on. Wait. Almost cut it off. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh, wow, look at that. That's incredible.
Can you turn it off now?
All right.
Please? Thank you.
Oh, no, hang on. Turn it off now.
Okay.
Look at that.
That's good. I look fat.